Hey everybody, this is Hunter. Hope you're having a beautiful day. It is probably the nicest day of the winter so far. 55 degrees. It was pretty sunny all day, but I've got an awesome little treat for you. I took a week off of doing videos, got some awesome personal stuff going in my life, got to see an ultrasound for my upcoming baby, and that was pretty darn special for me. Find out the gender on Sunday, so I could not be more stoked. But now that we're back and making some videos, today I have the 2021 NoBo No Boundaries 10.6. It's an awesome camper, really small, the smallest one I do offer, and it's definitely very versatile. It weighs 1,900, 1,920, somewhere in that, so you can pull it with just about anything that has a receiver, which is definitely nice. It's meant for more of that kind of outdoorsy person that wants something a little bit nicer than a tent. But let's jump right on in. So right here at the front, even though it is a smaller camper, you do get your power tongue jack, which is nice. You don't have to worry about cranking it. This customer opted to add on the 2 batteries up front, which is great. I guess before I get too much into it, let's just give you a really quick little peek here. So it's a toy hauler. I've got it with this part down. I've actually got 2 more lined up so that way we can see it at every stage. So this one's all closed up. This one has a couple more options like an AC and a TV, which I'll show you here as we get moving. But right up in the front, let's go ahead and start right here. A nice little pull-out, kitchen area. So you have your Suburban, your 2-burner grill, or 2-burner stovetop, your LP Quick Connect, so that way you can, pull right off of those LP bottles right up front. A little bottle opener. We all know what you're doing with that. Drinking some brewskis, and an area to store that little bowl right there, and maybe a couple other little knickknacks. So you got your burner. You have your Truma cooler, which is definitely really nice. This thing runs off of electricity, or it runs off of the 12 volts. You don't even have to be hooked up to power. You could plop on that extra battery up there, and it'll work this thing, keeping all your brewskis or fish or whatever you're putting in there nice and cool. There's the inside. So right here, you've got the connection for the, that would be the water pump right there, or your 12-volt tank heaters. So even in the cold, you're going to be having a nice, versatile camper. You can keep those tanks nice and warm to avoid, any type of freezing. You got your step up right there, so that way you can get on top to your Rhino rack, Batwing awning. That will come out. Very nice to have. And on top, it has this really cool tent top. So that way, if you need some additional sleeping, or if you want to get some more fresh air and keep this thing loaded up, you're good to go. And it'll cover right on top of there. Sleep 2 people easy. You have a nice little spray port, so that way you can get some water going on. Let me flip this over here real quick. But right here, you got a place to put all your cooking utensils in a nice little organized fashion. And you have more bulkier off-roading tires than you would for a typical travel trailer. So that's definitely nice. Again, this is the 2021 No Boundaries 10.6. If you guys like RV videos, please make sure to like and subscribe for me, and drop a comment if there's anything you want to see. The reason why I'm doing this one is somebody asked for my smallest camper. So first day back, this is what we're doing. So on the interior here, you can see you have your tie down. So you can put in, maybe a 4-wheeler, a couple dirt bikes, anything that you need there. Right here, you do have a vent so you can get some air circulating. You have another one down here. Right here is just a little bit extra storage. Got the Rhino rack in there here at the moment. And that goes to the stairs. That way you can get on top of everything a little bit easier even. You have these bad boys, which are nice. Another one over there. Some good storage in both. That one is netted. Your fuse box, got a couple outlets, really everything you need. And then right here, I actually took out the bed for this video, but it comes in here like this. That way you can lay it across the entire bottom and have a nice comfortable place to sleep after you unload some stuff. Screened in, this customer did not get an AC on this unit. The third one that I'll show you, it has an AC, so you are good to go keeping this thing cool. And I'll tell you what, a 13.5 air conditioner will make this thing chilly. But you have a nice little screened in area so we can keep a good breeze going. and another access door. Check it out from the other side. So this one is nothing too fancy, but it's probably the nicest, tent style camper that you'll ever own. You got some of your hookups here and a spare for when you're driving down the road, just in case something does happen. And again, this thing weighing in at 1,900 pounds, it's pretty hard to get beat. So now let me show you what this thing looks like when it is closed up and you're more in that travel mode going down the street. So that little kitchen area that I showed you earlier, that one right there with the Truma and the 2 burners, nice, compact, goes all the way in there and slides across the body of the camper. This right here is where you put your bowl and the space for your cooking utensils. And that's what it looks like when it's closed up. So pretty neat little rig for sure. Now here's where it's closed out when you first are going to open these up. And this customer opted to even put on 2 propane tanks, which is always nice. You have extra propane for when you're at that campground. Maybe you're off the grid. You want to use your burner a little bit longer. You're good to go. And again, your Batwing awning, which will give you a little bit of shade, and your little tent top right there. And right here is where they put the AC on that. And again, instead of having that fan, it'll push the air on in. And you just open it up, you dump it on in there. You can also get a TV, that's where that would be. So you can lay across here, put your head on down, watch yourself some TV. But I thank you guys greatly for watching. If you do like these videos, again, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, anything positive for me. That would definitely be of a help. Give you one more little around on this bad boy, then I'll show it to you open one more time. And then I'm heading on out to go celebrate with the family. I really do like these decals. I think these are some of the coolest little campers that you will find. They're pretty slick looking. All right, everybody, thank you again and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.